ミスティクスプレゼンツヴィンテージクルエジーン USA
On this episode of Vintage Cruis'n USA, we're watching a mechanic remove the carburetor off of my 1968 VW Phoenix van. Using JBugs as a reference, the way to remove a carburetor is to first, remove the air filter, which is clamped to the top of the carburetor. Loosen the clamp and disconnect any breather and vacuum hoses. Then, disconnect the electrical connections to the idle solenoid and choke element. Loosen and remove the barrel nut for the accelerator cable. Disconnect the fuel hose from the carburetor. Cap or plug the hose to prevent fuel leaking. Remove the two carburetor to manifold nuts and lift the carburetor up to remove it. Our goal is to figure out what is blocking the fuel from going to the engine. The problem he inspected was that the car was not accelerating when shifting and applying gas. The acceleration pedal was sticking.
As long as it's not pouring off.
No.
See, that is not right. That.
To try and fix this problem, we started to inspect the carburetor and adjust some things on it. I'm not sure exactly what he was doing, and I'm not sure he was either. He told me we needed to rebuild the carburetor, so we decided to install it with some minor adjustments so we can relocate the VW Phoenix van to my backyard.
Right. Put it all back together. But yeah, you're definitely going to need a carburetor rebuild kit. That's the heart and soul of the motor right there.
What's that stuff leaking from it?
Gas.
Gas?
It's just gas.
It just had gas in there from the driving here?
Yeah. Just got to keep an eye on that. Make sure it doesn't start spilling on the ground. But there's nothing I can do anymore.
Just put it on.
Put it on and get it over with.
Put it on, see what happens.
Right.
You're gonna need that light.
Hope for the best.
Yes. Positive vibes.
Okay, that's hooked up, right? Yeah.
Well, I'm sure it'll pop up somewhere.
Okay.
I have a feeling it's just stuck to the inside of the car. Yeah. Right here.
That's what I figured it was going to be, right there somewhere. Okay. This is going to be interesting.
The blood is spilled, he's on his knees, yelling for someone save me please. His head was buried so deep, the test was not to eat a pill that won't let him sleep. He left the night incomplete, bared his soul to his feet. And I had to stand and watch as he picked apart the things that made you who you were, and threw them all away. And in time you had to pay an addiction mental.
That is really tight shit. I guess that'll work. Ow.
He's in his own captivity, reaching for some reality, falling into defeat, binging on ecstasy, slowly pushing your mind till it breaks, till it cracks, playing with sanity. And I had to stand and watch as you picked apart the things that made you who you all were, and threw them all away. And in time you had to pay an addiction mental.
Oh, that's going to be a pain in the ass, I'm sure. Good God.
Manifesting an outbreak, the right to keep yourself.
Gotta make sure the gas pedal. You can hit that gas pedal and make sure it goes all the way down so you got full throttle.
Lost control, lost it and whole. The human brain takes so much.
After relocation, he would come back at a later time, dip my carburetor into some carburetor cleaner, and then rebuild it with a kit that I'll buy from J-Bugs. I thought that I had the plan all jam-packed down. So, the next part was to actually physically move her to my place. So I asked him to drive it, and with not much confidence, he decided to get on there.
I don't even know if she's gonna make it. I'm questioning how he got it here. He needs somebody to guide him. Can't see behind. Be careful. Oh, well.
Where am I going?
Down to my house on.
I don't know exactly where that's at,
You can follow me.
but I only got one brake light.
Oh, we have to follow him. He's like, I'm back in the 60s.
Hard to drive this car.
Right now, yeah, especially with what he. It needs a whole new carburetor kit. So the accelerator pump comes with that. He told me. That's why it's not idling anymore. Because the fuel isn't going to the gas, into the engine fast enough or enough at all. It's like trickling.
This car with car insurance. That is going to drive him insane.
Is she gonna go? My car's plunking along. Until next time on Vintage Cruis'n USA. Thanks for watching.
Kyoshokusho wa watashi wa anata no wa nani yo. Kyoshokusho wa watashi wa anata no wa nani yo. Kyoshokusho wa watashi wa anata no wa nani yo.
She don't eat, doesn't even look at sweets. Her breast thinks that acid reflex is in its peak. Trying to treat, too bad she's stuck in the hot seat. Doesn't even know that she's more than that, more than all the crap. Starving herself, what's that? All I see is bones and no fat. She's hungry like an alley cat. Pushed her hunger down, tried to hide the facts. Girl, cut the crap. What does she want?